What if I told you that everything you've learned about controlling your blood sugar is wrong? And what if the answer isn't a medicine, a diet, or even exercise, but a simple recipe that could reset your body's insulin, starting tonight? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at your kitchen the same way again. For years, millions have been battling something they can't see. Unstable blood sugar, the sudden fatigue, the brain fog, the irritability after skipping meals, the slow weight gain despite eating healthy. Doctors prescribe medications, influencers preach low-carb diets, but the question remains, why is the problem still getting worse? It's not your fault, because in the shadows of packaged food, pesticide-covered produce, and artificially sweetened health snacks, there lies a quiet truth, a recipe, a formula, one that nature designed, one that your ancestors used without even knowing it, and one that could change your life if only you knew what it was. Before we reveal the game-changing recipe that balances your blood sugar and nourishes every cell in your body, let's understand why it works. And to do that, we need to meet the real enemies. Not sugar itself, but spikes, that roller coaster effect when your glucose levels shoot up and then crash. It's this instability that leads to inflammation, fat storage, and even hormonal chaos. So what's the solution? It starts with 15 powerful foods, not exotic or expensive, but hiding in plain sight. Each one a natural blood sugar regulator, each one part of the final recipe. Let me introduce them to you. Let's start this journey. 1. Cucumber. Cool, crisp, and over 95% water. But don't underestimate it. Its fiber slows down sugar absorption, making it a quiet stabilizer. Add slices to your meals or blend into smoothies. It hydrates while protecting your glucose. 2. Sweet potatoes. Not just carbs, they're complex carbs. Roasted or boiled, they offer slow-digesting energy and fiber to prevent crashes. Packed with beta-carotene, they even reduce inflammation from insulin resistance. 3. Broccoli. This cruciferous powerhouse contains sulforaphane, a compound proven to improve insulin sensitivity. Steamed, sautéed, or blended into soups, broccoli isn't a side, it's a shield. Kale. Leafy, fibrous, and rich in antioxidants like quercetin. It's not just trendy, it actively slows sugar absorption and supports liver function. Chop it into salads or crisp it into chips. 5 avocado. Creamy and satisfying, it's packed with good fats and fiber. Avocados blunt glucose spikes, support heart health, and keep you full. No toast required, just a spoon and a little lemon. 6. Eggs. Protein-packed and blood sugar friendly. They curb cravings and supply choline, a nutrient vital for metabolic health. Scrambled, boiled, or poached, they're a morning miracle. 7. Nuts and seeds. Think almonds, chia, flax, walnuts. These tiny giants are full of fiber and omega-3s. They slow digestion, reduce cravings, and even improve gut bacteria. Your silent sugar regulators. 8. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Rich in anthocyanins, which improve insulin response and gut health. Add them to oatmeal or eat them fresh. They're sweet, without the consequences. Lemon. Its acidity slows gastric emptying, meaning your food digests slower and blood sugar rises gently. Start your day with warm lemon water. It's a simple daily ritual. 10. Green tea. It contains EGCG, a compound that boosts fat burning and improves insulin sensitivity. It's also calming, so you avoid stress-induced spikes. Apple, especially with the skin. Rich in pectin, a type of fiber that slows glucose absorption. Pair with peanut butter for a stable, satisfying snack. 12th, eggplant. Often overlooked, but its purple skin is rich in insulin, an antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress on insulin-producing cells. Roast it, bake it, it's both blood sugar friendly and delicious. 13. Cinnamon. More than a spice, it mimics insulin and improves glucose transport. Just 1/2 teaspoon a day can lower fasting blood sugar. Stir it into your tea or sprinkle on yogurt. On dördüncü yams. Similar to sweet potatoes, but with a different micronutrient profile. They release glucose slowly, keeping you full and your energy steady. 15th, tomato. Low in sugar and high in lycopene. They fight inflammation and support cardiovascular health, closely tied to insulin balance. Add to salads, soups, or eat fresh. Now that you've met your 15 allies, it's time to combine them. But before I show you how to make the blood sugar balancing power bowl, I invite you to pause this video for a second and hit the like button. It tells the algorithm this video matters, and it might just help someone reverse their sugar struggles. Let's build the perfect blood sugar-friendly meal. Start with a base of quinoa. It's not on the top 15, but it's an honorary member, high in protein and fiber. Add cooked sweet potato chunks for slow carbs. Toss in steamed broccoli and shredded kale. Now add a few slices of avocado, half a boiled egg, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and a handful of blueberries. Top it all off with a squeeze of lemon, a dash of cinnamon, and a drizzle of olive oil. It's not just delicious. It's a metabolic masterpiece. Most people treat food as entertainment. But if you start treating food as medicine, as information that tells your body what to do, everything changes. The fatigue, gone. The mood swings, balanced. The cravings, quiet. You don't need pills to survive. You need knowledge to thrive. And now you have it. 15 foods, one simple recipe, and a future that tastes a lot more like freedom. If this video helped you, imagine who else it could help. Share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe. We're building a movement, a smarter, healthier generation. Because your story doesn't end with a diagnosis. It begins with a recipe.